বর্ধমানের অন্যতম জনপ্রিয় মিষ্টি সীতাভোগ ও মিহিদানা 2017 সালে জিআই স্বীকৃতি পায় এই দুটি মিষ্টি। বর্ধমানের ঐতিহাসিক এই মিষ্টিকে এবার স্বীকৃতি দিল ভারতের ডাক বিভাগ। শুক্রবার বর্ধমানের মুখ্য ডাকঘরের এক অনুষ্ঠানে সীতাভোগ ও মিহিদানার ছাপ দেওয়া বিশেষ ধরনের কভার উদ্বোধন করা হলো। উদ্বোধন করেন দক্ষিণবঙ্গ রিজিয়নের পোস্টমাস্টার জেনারেল শশী শালিনী কুজুর। ছিলেন বর্ধমান ডিভিশনের সিনিয়র সুপারিনটেন্ডেন্ট অফ পোস্টমাস্টার সৈয়দ ফরজ হায়দার নবী। বর্ধমান সীতাভোগ মিহিদানা ট্রেডার্স ওয়েলফেয়ার অ্যাসোসিয়েশনের সভাপতি প্রমোদ কুমার সিংহ। শশী শালিনী কুজুর বলেন, বর্ধমানের এই বিখ্যাত মিষ্টির প্রচার এবং জনপ্রিয়তা বাড়াবার লক্ষ্যে ভারতীয় ডাক বিভাগ একে প্রমোট করেছে। এর ফলে বর্ধমান ছাড়াও অন্যান্য জায়গায় সীতাভোগ ও মিহিদানার জনপ্রিয়তা বৃদ্ধি পাবে।
Sitavog has been awarded this GI tag in 2017, and this is a very proud moment for all of us. So Dak Vibhag has decided that we should honor this sweets through our special cover, because our department issues these special covers to commemorate a thing, a product which has very significant importance. So Mihidana and Vardhman, which are very popular sweets of Vardhman, we wanted to commemorate this GI tag indication so that it reaches to every corner of the country, every corner of the world, and people may know about these sweets. And this is a best mode of commemorate a thing when we issue this special cover. And all the philatelists, they collect these special covers and put them in their exhibits, and it reaches to every nook and corner of the
In what
world.
way it spread in the country for public?
What?
In what way
Yeah.
it spread?
Like we
Public.
release the special cover and we distribute to different philatelic bureau, and from there people can purchase this special cover and they can use it for their exhibits, or they can send to their dear near ones, their friends, and they will use it and they can display it. And thus this is a mode of publicity also, and people come to know about these products through these special covers. So people come to know, because throughout the country we have bureaus where we send these special cover, जहाँ उनको भेजा जाता है और वहाँ पे लोग इसको कलेक्ट करते हैं और सब जगह डिस्प्ले में रहता है, तो जिससे लोगों के इसके बारे में जानकारी रहती है.
Does it fulfill the commercial interest of the businessmen throughout India or West
Yes,
Bengal?
yes. To a limited, it's a limited thing, but who are interested in philately, they know about the value of this special cover. And throughout the world, philately is a very great hobby, and people collect these things. And through these special cover, they come to know about these products. And so I think in a limited way, but it's a best way to commemorate from our side.
What
From the
special in it that includes in your post?
What special? Okay.
What special
Actually, एक मिनट
बोलना चाहते हैं
quality or
किसी भी चीज़ के पहचान के लिए जरूरी है कि डाक विभाग जो है, इट्स अ गवर्नमेंट डिपार्टमेंट, एंड देयर इज अ ऑथेंटिसिटी बिहाइंड इट. इफ आवर डिपार्टमेंट बैक्स एनीथिंग, एनी प्रोडक्ट दैट हैज गॉट अ ऑथेंटिसिटी, दैट हैज.
Mr. Pramod Kumar Singh, Secretary, Bardhaman and Sitavog Mihidana Traders Welfare Association. Distinguished philatelists, respected people from different media house, and my dear colleagues. I welcome you all with warm greetings. Ma'am, I feel lucky and blessed to serve Bardhaman under your guidance and support. Ma'am, I would like to highlight just few achievements which my team and my division in very short time of my joining in 20 days have achieved. We have opened saving bank account of almost 11,152. We have opened IPPB account 1996. We have done AEPS transaction amount of rupees 1.01 crore. We have PMA percentage increase from 33% to 63%. Ma'am, we did sovereign gold bond sale of 562 gram. Ma'am, we had Aadhaar active center of 16, but now we have 40 active Aadhaar center in the division. Soon 4 will also get active. So altogether 44 active center will be having very soon. Ma'am, in this short span of time we have Aadhaar transaction of new enrollment 2,126, updation of 4,750. We have got new PLI policy 102, RPI policy 610. Two offices migrated to CBS platform, that is Patoli SO and Shrikanda. We have also two offices ready for CBS migration very soon, that is Memari Bazar SO and Narayanpur SO. Ma'am, I would like to use this opportunity to not only thank the whole Bardhaman team but also motivate them that they will perform better day by day and bring more laurels to the South Bengal region. Ma'am, I thank you once again for gracing the occasion and to bring more reason in form of a special cover for Mehidana and Sita Bhog for Bardhaman to cheer. Thank you, ma'am, and thank you everyone.